how it's really done with the real soccer ball.
Go.
Oh, yeah.
Kick it off. Where is it? Kick it again, but that way.
Okay. No!
Kick it back at me. Here.
Here?
Give me the ball.
Careful, it's super wet.
Okay, hold it, Jack. Show it that way. Come on. Oh, yeah. Just show it that way, okay? Ready? Yep, show it that way. I'm ready. And at the house. Holy gee!